Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to check hours in different countries here. So if you want to know the particular hour in another time zone, all you have to do is to open your clock app. Then let's open world clock and here tap on plus and enter or choose the country that you would like to check this hour in. So smoothly by tapping you can check it, and also you can add your favorite places to your world clock list. Then you will be able to check it anytime you open your clock up here. So that's it, this is how you can check it. Then obviously if you will go back here, it will be already listed here. If you want to remove any city from your list, just mark it, just tap on delete and then tap on minus to delete. And that's it. Click on done to save the changes. And that would be all, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.